Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. This is Miss Mate, and we will be talking about a second technique of finding the limit of a function by rationalizing. The function that we are looking at is given right here. F of x equals 2x over square root of x plus 4 minus 2. And what I want the limit as x approaches as x approaches 0 of f of x. Now, lots of people will start the typical approach, limit as x approaches 0 of f of x. They just replace without thinking too much. I'm going to replace a 0, so I don't need the limit symbol. What do I get? I get 2 times 0 divided by square root of 0 plus 4 minus 2, which is 0 over square root of 4 is 2 minus 2, this is 0. A 0 over 0, which we know it's an indeterminate form. As we learned, no conclusions I can draw from that statement. Again, I will be looking at the graph of this function that I graphed using technology, which I advise you to do as well. Please notice that because I have the expression x plus 4, the expression x plus 4 is under the radical sign. I know that the radical sign, whatever is under the radical sign must be positive. So x plus 4 must be greater than 0, which means x is greater than negative 4. So that gives me the domain of my function f of x. So, having said that, you shouldn't be surprised by the graph of this function. It looks something like that. What I'm interested in is the limit of the function as x is approaching 0. So, both from left and from right, I want to see what happens to the function. Again, my intuition should tell me that the limit of the function is 8, because both from left and from right here, this is what I see. I see the function approaching 8. Good. Now let's see how I do that algebraic. Now, guess what I'm gonna do? Limit limit of x approaches 0 of 2x over x plus 4, square root of x plus 4 minus 2. I'm going to multiply this fraction, both the numerator and the denominator of the fraction, by the conjugate of this expression. The conjugate of that expression is x plus 4 plus 2 divided by square root of x plus 4 plus 2. Have I changed anything? No, I haven't. I multiply both the top and the bottom by the same thing, so I haven't changed anything. So my expression becomes limit as x approaches 0 of 2x, open a bracket, square root of x plus 4 plus 2 divided by x plus 4 square root, it's a minus b, a plus b, that's what I have there, a minus b, a plus b, which is nothing else but a squared minus b squared. So it's going to be square root of x plus 4 squared, so it's an x plus 4 minus 2 squared, which becomes limit as x approaches 0 of 2x square root of x plus 4 plus 2 divided by x plus 4 minus 4 plus 4 minus 4. So it becomes, it becomes limit as x approaches 0 of 2x square root of x plus 4 plus 2 divided by x. What do I notice? I notice that I have an x here and an x here. I can reduce them, and my function becomes, my expression becomes limit as x approaches 0 of 2 times square root of x plus 4 plus 2. Now, let's see what happens when I substitute the value of x equals 0. It's 2 times square root of 4 plus 2. So it's going to be square root of 4 is 2 plus 2 is a 4, 8. So limit as x approaches 0 of f of x is 8. I was able to remove the discontinuity by rationalizing the function, which we expected from the beginning. Thank you very much.